To the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can create the WhatsApp bot using the coexistence feature. So let's get started. Simply log into your BotPenguin account. Once you are logged in, you will click on bots and then click on create bot. Choose WhatsApp and choose any goal of your business and proceed to next. Right. After that, please fill up your business information here and click on proceed. After that, you need to scan this QR code from your WhatsApp. Just scan it and it will send one activation code. And once that is done, then you can click on your WhatsApp bot again and you will get a message connect your WhatsApp number. You have to click on connect. Then select all, proceed, and after that you will be redirected to your Meta account. Then simply click on continue. Now you will get, if your profile contains any portfolio, that portfolio will comes here. If you don't have any portfolio, you will simply click on create portfolio, and in the second drop down you can now connect a WhatsApp business app also. So you will choose the second option of connect a WhatsApp business app. Then you will click on next. So let me really quick fill up this information. So now here the next screen, I will get the option of enter your WhatsApp phone number. I will choose the country code and I will type the phone number that I want to connect. So let me real quick enter the number. Alright. Once this number is there, you will simply click on next option. And once you will click on next, you will get this QR code that you need to scan. You have two options. Either you can choose this QR code or either you can click on use access code instant. So let's say I will click on this and copy it. Now all the things needs to be done on your mobile app, like the business WhatsApp app. You will get few things here that you need to configure. So in your screen you will get the option to add the access code. So just add the access code there. Once it is done, your account name will display here automatically and you will simply click on next and confirm connecting your account. I will simply click on finish. The bot has been created successfully. Okay. So, and this is how the coexistence feature works, and this is how you can create the WhatsApp bot with the help of the coexistence feature. In case if you have any queries related to the same, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good one.